of our first view of Lake Superior.
We brought these.
So I couldn't resist stopping. And we're just gonna cast off the fishing pier. We could go swimming.
No,
Nice
it's a little bit cold. Look, it's a shallow water. Oh, that's for that. This is like a swimming area right here. Carl! That's scary. No! Don't do it!
Okay, turn around.
I don't like that.
Alright, time to make some casts. Another marina. What are you doing?
What am I doing? I am attempting my first camping cook.
Awesome sauce. What are you doing there, Lisa, up north?
Trying to cook. Trying to put chicken breast on the camp stove.
Good morning. We're at our lovely campsite, and it's a beautiful fall morning.
Oh man, some of these are not good.
And I'm making toast on my new toaster. We're on the lake trail of Lake Superior, heading toward the sea caves. We made it to the first sea cave. It's really far down there. You can't really see it on here, and we don't want to get too close. You can hear the water sloshing around. Lake Superior, it looks a little hazy. We just got done with our super rugged trail hike to the sea caves, which are right over there off in the distance. It was 2 miles, and it was probably the longest 2 miles we ever hiked.
Yeah.
But it was beautiful. Wow, look at this. This is incredible. It's our last day of camping.
Oh.
Good morning!
That was sneaky.
This was our home abode, which was very comfy. What time is it?
Time to cook.
It's time for
We
breakfast.
just woke up.
What's that? The berries?
Mm-hmm. Because they're so good.
Yeah. Ah. And we're off on our another adventure. We're going on Lake Superior to Sand Island. And there's Sand Island. It's about 4 miles away. Yeah. There. If it was warmer, I would stop and go swimming. The water is 58 degrees here. We're on Sand Island on the East Bay. And there is a trail on here, but we're not going to go hiking today. We're just going to go exploring in the boat. So we're going to go look for the lighthouse now in Justice Bay. We're on Sand Island. There's a nice dock here to get out and a beach. And sand, hence the name.